Hey guys, it's Nicole, and continuing on with my Disney nail art series, I decided to do some Maleficent nails. So I loved the way that I could use some stamping as well as a little bit of freehand and some glitter to make this whole look come together, and keep watching for the tutorial. So I started off with Madame Glam's Lost in the Woods, Chalet's Flying Dragon, and Madame Glam's Perfect White. So I applied the green color on my pinky, my pointer finger, and my thumb, the purple on my ring finger, and the white on my middle finger. And you could use a different color besides the white, but that's just what I decided to put under Maleficent so that she would stand out more. And all the colors would appear as they should be since it's a white coat. So it was the third coat of color, and once I cured, I moved the tacky layer from my white nail before applying Twinkle Tea holographic glitter. And I mean, you can see I applied green on green, purple on purple, you know the drill. And then I took Flawless Finish and applied a layer of top coat over each of the glitter nails, just so it would be cured and sealed in and I could do the nail art without messing up any of the glitter work. So I'm using this Disney Villains plate for stamping for the Maleficent silhouette. And I just fill it in using regular nail polish, and it is kind of tricky because the details are so small. But it doesn't have to be perfect, you know, you don't even have to fill it in. That's just what I decided to do because I like to make things more complicated, I guess. But I just kind of filled in with various shades of purple. I used 2 different purples, and then some red for the lips and a nude for the face, and a little bit of black to tie the whole thing together. And I put that on my middle finger, and then I fixed up any of the details that needed to be fixed a little bit, and then I cleaned up the edges and secured it to my nail. And then I'm taking some black gel polish to create these drips. And so that pretty much they look like drips, but then I took the look down and like used some more sharp skinny lines to make the green part look like flames. And you can kind of see that as I'm going, that the black's just the silhouette and you want the green to look like flames, so you don't want like super curved lines. And then on the ring finger I just did some horizontal stripes just because I felt like that nail needed a little something. And then I continued on with the flame design on my pointer finger, as well as my thumbs. So not too complicated, just gel polish, work with it till you like what you've made, and then go ahead and cure. And finally I took a layer of Flawless Finish and applied that over all of my nails. And you want to make sure that the regular nail polish is completely dry before you do this. And so once that was all applied and cured for 30 seconds, then I removed the tacky layer with some rubbing alcohol and a lint-free nail wipe. And then that's how I created this nail art look. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and let me know if you try this look. I'd love to see recreations. And tune in next week for some more Disney nails. Bye guys!